Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's introduce myself. My name is Fitria Anjani and I'm from English Education Department 4th semester. Today, I will present a scholarly article entitled Using Flashcards as Instructional Media to Enrich the Student Vocabulary Mastery in Learning English. Written by Mr. William Hamira and Ms. Nur Azmi Rohimajaya. This article was published in the Journal of English Language Study, Volume 3, Number 2 in 2018. Article information, the author Mr. William Hamira Untirta and Ms. Nur Azmi Rohimajaya, Matlahul Anwar University, that published September 30 and 2018. Contact email William Hamira at untirta.co.id. This article discusses the use of flashcard media as a teaching tool to improve student English vocabulary mastery. It is a conceptual article based on literature review and classroom observation. In this slide, I will discuss the abstract. The first, flashcard improve vocabulary mastery. The second, learning become more fun and effective. And last, help overcome vocabulary difficult. The abstract explained that the main purpose of the article is to show that flashcards can be a helpful solution to enrich student English vocabulary. This medium not only attracts student attention, but also help reduce difficult in understanding unfamiliar words. Next slide, introduction. The first is instructional media support teaching process. The second is flashcards are visual and attractive. And the last, vocabulary is key to all 4 language skills. In the introduction, the author emphasized the importance of using instructional media to support teaching in delivering lesson. Flashcards are chosen for their visual and engineering nature, making it easier for students to understand the material. Vocabulary is also stated as the key to supporting the 4 language skills. 1. Listening, 2. Speaking, 3. Reading, and the last, writing. Next slide, methodology. A literature review and student observation focus on the concept and benefit of flashcards, and then not based on quantitative experiment. The article apply literature review and descriptive analysis method based on observation of English education students. No direct experiment was conducted. Instead, the author review theory and practical experience related to the use of flashcards in vocabulary teaching. Next slide, finding vocabulary. One of the key findings in the article is the crucial role of vocabulary in language learning. Vocabulary is not just a supporting element, it is the foundation of language proficiency. According to Thornberry, while grammar is important, vocabulary is even more essential. He stated, without grammar, little can be conveyed. Without vocabulary, nothing can be conveyed. The article classifies vocabulary into 2 types. Active vocabulary include words that students are able to use when speaking or writing. Meanwhile, passive vocabulary consists of words that students can understand when reading or listening, but may not use actively. Both types play an important role. Active vocabulary is essential for verbal and written expression, while passive vocabulary builds comprehension for students to communicate effectively. A strong grasp of both is necessary. Next slide, flashcard as media. Card with picture or text capture student attention, aid in learning new words. Flashcards are considered one of the simplest yet most effective types of instructional media, especially in language learning. Typically, a flashcard contains a picture, a word, or a short phrase, making it easy for students to associate visual with meanings. Uh, their simplicity is actually their strength. Flashcards are visually stimulating, colorful, and often designed in a way that grabs student attention quickly. This visual appeal increases student engagement and help maintain focus during vocabulary lesson. More importantly, flashcards promote active learning instead of passively memorizing vocabulary. Students interact with the card tough games, repetition, or collaborative activity. This not only improve retention but also encourage creativity and critical thinking. In short, flashcards offer a low-touch, yet high-impact solution to enrich vocabulary learning, especially for young learners or beginners who benefit most from visual cues and repetition. Next slide, teaching with flashcard activity game, guessing, sentence making, encourage student engagement. In classroom, practice flashcards are not only used for displaying vocabulary, they can be integrated into a variety of engaging activity that involve students directly. Some of the most common and effective use include guessing game, where students try to identify words based on image or description, a sentence making exercise, where students build sentence using vocabulary shown on the card, and classification task, where words are grouped by theme, part of speech, or meaning. Thus, activity turn passive learning into active participation instead of just listening to the teacher explain vocabulary. Students are encouraged to move, speak, think, and collaborate. This hands-on experience makes vocabulary learning more meaningful and memorable. Moreover, using flashcards in different ways allow the teacher to address various learning style, visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. It also creates a more dynamic classroom environment where students feel more involved and confident to practice their English skill. Ultimately, the purpose of this flashcard-based activity is not just to memorize words, but to use them meaningful in context. This encourage deeper learning and help students apply vocabulary and real-life communication. In conclusion, this article highlights the significant role that flashcards can play in vocabulary learning. Their visual and interactive nature make them especially effective in helping students understand and retain new words. Unlike traditional methods that rely heavily on rote memorization, flashcards offer a more engaging and student-centered approach. The use of flashcards not only improves vocabulary retention but also enhances the overall learning atmosphere in the classroom. Students are more likely to participate actively, feel more motivated, and enjoy the learning process when the material is delivered in a fun and accessible way. The author recommends that teachers incorporate flashcards creatively in their teaching strategies, not just as supplementary material, but as a core part of vocabulary instruction. Teacher can design various activities around flashcards to cater to different learning style and keep students motivated. On the other hand, students are encouraged to respond actively during lesson and make use of flashcards for independent learning as well. Tough, consistent exposure and practice they can strengthen both their active and passive vocabulary knowledge. In short, flashcards are a simple yet powerful tool. When used effectively, they can transform vocabulary learning into an engaging, interactive, and successfully experience for both teacher and student. Here are the main references cited in the article. The author draw from various experts in the field of English language teaching, such as Turnbury, who focuses on vocabulary instruction, and Wright, who explored the use of visual teaching material like flashcards. Other supporting sources include academic study, books, and journals related to vocabulary development and instructional strategies. That brings us to the end of this presentation. To summarize, flashcards are a simple yet powerful instructional tool that can significantly improve student vocabulary mastery and overall language learning experience. I hope this presentation has given you a clear understanding of the article and inspired new idea for teaching and learning vocabulary. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.